Hi students, now discuss about the HIV AIDS. AIDS, it is the transmissible disease caused by HIV, human immunodeficiency virus. Okay, first case is reported from California in 1981 by CDC, Center for Disease Control. Student. Okay, next, what about the mode of infection? Mode of infection about the AIDS through sexual act by the unknown person without using of the barrier at the time of the sexual intercourse. It is transmits from one person to the another person by the sexual contact, sexual act with the unknown person, and sharing of injection needles. Sharing of the injection needles and surgical instruments, okay, of the infected persons, and transfusion of the blood from one person. It is also occurs or transmit during the time of transfusion of the blood from one person to the another person without screening about the HIV virus, and it is also from infected mother to the fetus. Infected mother, it is also transmit from the infected mother to the fetus. Students, this is about the mode of infection. Next, and the structure of HIV. What about the structure of HIV? Student, it is about the structure of the HIV. This is the diagrammatic part, diagrammatic representation, structure of the HIV. Okay, and it is the retrovirus. Student, it is the retrovirus. By the help of the reverse transcriptase enzyme, the RNA present in the HIV, that is converts into, changes into DNA copies. So it is called retrovirus. And genetic material present in the HIV in the form of the two single-stranded RNA molecules. Two single-stranded RNA molecules. Student, it is the one single-stranded RNA molecule. It is the another one of the single-stranded RNA molecule. It is the genetic material of the HIV virus. Two single-stranded RNA molecules and two molecules of the enzyme. Student, reverse transcriptase. Reverse transcriptase is the enzyme. Student, it is the reverse transcriptase, and then it is the another one of the molecule of reverse transcriptase enzyme. Two molecules of the reverse transcriptase enzyme, and student, it is also includes with protease enzyme and integrase enzyme. Okay, single-stranded RNA surrounds with the protein coat. Student, it is the protein coat, and another, it is also surrounds with the layer of the proteins. It is the entire, that is the layer of the protein, and layer of the protein finally surrounds with the, student, lipid layer. Student, single-stranded RNA surrounds with the protein coat and followed with the protein layer. Again, it is surrounds with the outer lipid layer. Student, it is the outer lipid layer. Outer lipid layer. Student, it is the protein layer. It is the protein coat, protein layer, and it is the outer lipid layer. Okay, student, firstly, two single-stranded RNA molecules surrounds with the protein coat, and it is surrounds with the protein layer of the proteins, and finally it is surrounds with the lipid layer. Okay, student, and the surface of the HIV virus is covered with contains glycoproteins. These are the two types: glycoprotein 41, glycoprotein 120 molecules. Glycoprotein molecules which surrounds the outer surface of the HIV virus, which binds to the host cell surface receptors. Student, these are the GP41 molecules. Student, these are the GP41 molecules, and these are GP120 molecules. These are GP120 molecules. GP41, GP120 molecules are binds with the cell surface receptors of the host cells, such as dendritic cells, macrophages, and the T helper cells. Student, okay. And another, what about the mechanism of the HIV virus? Okay, what about the mechanism of the HIV virus? HIV selectively infects and kills the T helper cells. Student, okay. HIV virus that shows the tissue tropism. Okay, these are the cells. HIV virus enters into the host body, enters into the human's body. These are only enters into the cells, only some amount of the cells. HIV virus enters only into the inner part of the some cells, certain cells only in the body. These are not attacks the all type of the body cells, only attacks and enters into the certain cells in the body of human beings. These are dendritic cells, macrophages, and the T helper cells. Student, in this mainly HIV selectively infect, kills, and T helper cells. T helper cells, already you know about the T helper cells. T lymphocytes are two types: T helper cells and cytotoxic T lymphocytes, TC cells. Student, HIV selectively infect and kills T helper cells. These are causes the depletion, decreases the number of the T helper cells, and finally weakens the immune response of the individual. T helper cells plays a main role in the immune system, in the immune response. But HIV virus selectively enters into the T helper cells by the process of the endocytosis and only kills the T helper cells. Okay? And immune system of the body does not shows the immune response against the different types of the infection, different types of the pathogens. Next, this is also causes the progressively decrease the number of the T helper cells. If you observe the mechanism of the HIV virus, student, viral RNA, it is the genome of the HIV. Viral RNA is converts into the DNA. Viral RNA is converts into the DNA. Single-stranded RNA molecule that is present in the HIV virus is changes into double-stranded DNA molecule by the help of the reverse transcriptase enzyme. These are two RNA molecules, single-stranded RNA molecule. By the help of the reverse transcriptase enzyme, reverse transcriptase is the enzyme, is also called RNA dependent DNA polymerase. Student, RNA dependent DNA polymerase. By the help of this enzyme, single-stranded RNA molecule is changes into double-stranded DNA molecule. DNA of the HIV. Now it is the HIV virus is with the DNA molecule. DNA of HIV become inserted into human chromosome. DNA of the HIV is incorporated, closely combines with and inserted into the DNA of the host cell, inserted into the human chromosome. Next again goes to the transcription. After some time that goes to the transcription. What about the transcription? DNA copy of the HIV virus is changes into RNA molecule that is called transcription. DNA again converts into RNA molecule, that is called transcription. Okay, student? This is the RNA acting as genome for new virus. It is the RNA, when it is formed, it is acting as a genome for a new virus. Student, and RNA copies are packaged and liberated as viral particles. Student, the amount of the DNA which is acting as a genome, amount of the RNA which is acting as a genome for new virus, and it is goes to the translation, student, and making the formation of the viral particle. RNA that makes into viral particles, that is called translation. Amount of the RNA which is formed by the transcription, that is goes to the translation and become into viral particles. Student, these are the viral particles are releases by the destruction of the T helper cells, and these are the viral particles again entered into the new T helper cells and another T helper cells. These are the viral particles of the HIV virus. HIV infect the new T helper cells. In this mechanism, T helper cells are act as a HIV generating factories. And it leads to the progressive decrease the number of the T helper cells, and at the same time HIV virus number is increases in the host body by the mechanism, student. And what about the diagnosis? Student, if you observe diagnosis, several methods are there to detect the presentation of the HIV virus in the body. That is diagnosis. Any one of the pathogen, any one of the antigenic protein, antigenic determinant present in the body, that is identified by the process, is called diagnosis. Several methods are there. ELISA is the test, and PCR test, student. PCR is the test to detect the antigens of the HIV virus. Okay. Next, Western blot test. It is used to detect the HIV antibodies in the host body, in the human body. Okay, student, HIV enters into the host body, it is also causes the generation of the antibodies to kill or destroy the infected cells. The type of the antibodies are identified by the Western blot test. Okay, student. Next, treatment of AIDS. What about the treatment of AIDS? Azithromycin, AZT. It is the drug azithromycin, and it is antiretroviral drug. Antiretroviral drug. Student, it is the drug that breaks, that stops the reverse transcription of the HIV virus, can only prolong the life of the patient by blocking the conversion of the retroviral action. Retroviral action means viral RNA, that is the genome of the HIV virus, is changes into double-stranded DNA molecule. This is the amount of the action is blocked by azithromycin drug. It stops the reverse transcription action. Okay, and it is also only prolongs the lifetime of the patient, but it is not kills the, not destroys the entire HIV virus in the body. Okay, student, and increases the lifetime of the patient. It is the drug. It is the drug increases the lifetime of the patient. Okay, and it is the treatment, student. And what about the prevention of AIDS? Prevention of AIDS. Student, safe sex, using of the barrier before the sexual intercourse. Safe sex, that means use of sterilized needles and syringes. Next, and the screening of the blood is compulsory before donating blood at the time of the transfusion of the blood from one person to the another person. Screening about the HIV virus is compulsory. Before donating blood, HIV test should be done. And education awareness about the AIDS should be given to the people. It is also compulsory, student. National AIDS Control Organization, it is the one of the organization to educate lot about the awareness on the AIDS to the people. Student, it is about the prevention of the AIDS.